All right, so now we back in the car. I did take it for a little test drive. Go ahead and scan it just to verify what I said earlier about why that happened to the cat. So you see O2 sensor bank. Yeah, we know that. All right, we do got live data. Misfire, we're gonna start it up. Putty putt. We already know that. Misfire on number 13. That's constant. So he did tell me he did a tune-up about 2 years ago, just the plugs. But the fact that plug, yeah, it could be fouled out, could be a bad fouled out plug, but most likely what happened is the coil is dead in it and it's not causing a spark, which the fuel's still going to deliver into that cylinder regardless. So if you follow what I'm saying, you got a whole bunch of unburnt fuel dumping down to the cat and that clogged it up.